Hello everyone, and welcome to Auto Concept Channel. The Renault Estafette Concept is an electric van that represents a bold vision for the future of urban logistics, designed specifically for professionals navigating the complexities of city life. This concept takes inspiration from the original 1959 Estafette van, which revolutionized utility vehicle design by placing the engine and transmission in the front, leaving more room for cargo in the rear. Today, the Estafette concept continues that tradition of innovation, but with a fully electric platform that embraces the modern challenges of urban freight, environmental sustainability, and efficient logistics. The Estafette concept is a compact yet spacious all-electric van, merging the length of the Renault Kangoo L2, the agility of the Renault Clio, and the load capacity of the Traffic L1H2. One of the most striking features of the Estafette concept is its software-defined vehicle, SDV architecture, built on the FlexEVan platform developed by Ampere. This advanced electronic architecture is pivotal in modernizing utility vehicles, allowing for real-time updates, predictive maintenance, and improved cost efficiency. The Estafette concept is set to revolutionize urban logistics, just as the original Estafette did 65 years ago. It's a testament to Renault's dedication to innovation, providing a van that is not only practical and efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Stay tuned for more updates on Renault's continuous innovation and witness how they seamlessly blend past, present, and future in every design.